Alright, hello again everybody. We're back with more rounds with this guy, which is, I think, so far, you're the only friend I've recorded any videos with. It's just been me, Half-Life, and you. We're going as this guy, because I can. I'm gonna invite you if I can. It sounds like it's sent.
Oh yeah, did you upload the TRG video?
I did start uploading it, but because it takes some time to upload, it's still only probably like 75%.
Okay. So that's why I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, probably. Ooh. Bouncy or toxic cloud?
It's toxic, man.
I'm gonna hit that toxic cloud.
Anyway.
Damn! Okay. Yeah, he's kind of goated with the fast forward upgrade.
I get the spam shoot, therefore I seem like I miss less.
Oh,
when you look
okay.
like this, gravity's not on your side.
With a what?
When you look like this, gravity's not on your side.
Are you calling yourself fat?
This is my character. Do you see anything there that implies that gravity's on his side?
I don't even know what to tell you about that. I don't think gravity comes into the equation at any point.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay, so I got some serious damage racking up on my poison bullets. Yeah, did they add achievements to rounds, you said? Because I just heard the Steam achievement sound through your mic. By the way, guys, if you don't know, the audio setup for this guy to talk is simply that I put my phone on speaker mode underneath my mic. Most of the damage that's been done to you so far has been through the floor.
That is kind of toxic.
Yeah, you've won 5-0 to me before, and you haven't gotten the ace achievement, have you?
I don't think it counts since I got it. I did it before they added achievements.
They call it bees. They actively call it bees.
Yeah, but it's just having a lot of them. Because
1 minute, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. But also, deal 500 damage with one bullet is called Destroyer of Worlds, and we already do that.
Yeah.
I can't tell if they just have similar terminology, or if somehow somebody saw us. Ooh. Perfect shot for no reason.
Damage stacks.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I wonder if they're ever gonna update
Oh god.
any of the cards work. If they're gonna add new cards.
Oh, come on, bro.
If they're ever gonna do that, just add a new card or change how what card works.
They might eventually.
Oh, we missed.
Yes, I did miss.
And I hit.
Yes, you did hit. Why couldn't I get glass cannon, bro?
You are quite literally the toxic build now. You're the rat build. Oh, brother.
I'm the delayed Oppenheimer build.
Well, you're not even me. Why you need a rat build? That was a bad situation. Anyway.
Double taps me instantly. Anyways.
Oh no, anyway.
Lifesteal will be good to survive.
Okay, I forgot the rest of the game. Oh crap, oh what the? Howie! Oh, you got leech? Oh, screw you, man.
Suck it.
No, you're the one doing it. Literally, what the?
You know, technically, if you wait too long, I can just kill you by Toxic Cloud.
Ow.
Yes. Ow, indeed. That's the point. What are these weird noises you're making, bro?
Now hear me out, though.
I got sawed in half.
I was heard out. Oh, quiet.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Man, what the? Oh, my heavens. Oh,
This is how fast I'm clicking.
Did you get quick? You got quick reload? Oh no.
Yeah, come out, Johnny. Come on out, little boy.
Shadow round, Jimbo.
The Shadow Realm? No, I'm sending you to Florida.
Holy guacamole, you suck.
Shut up.
Wowie zowie. Wowie zowie.
Jack's in the box. Why doesn't he exit it? I've just got a lot on my plate. Yeah, maybe you should put the fork down. Crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Let's see if we can go. Let's see if I can get crazy bullet bounces.
That cannot possibly work against you. And gravity killed you. Ow, ow. Crap, man.
No, I'm Batman. Crap, man. No, I'm Batman. Boo.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, I'm here.
Most of those were pretty good, honestly. What the? Ow! Did you see that?
No, I was too busy firing.
I just got spiked over the floor by a box.
Shut up. Don't say a word.
Man, I already said all the words I need to say.
I hate that. I hate that you said that.
That was too good. Oh, crap. Oh, there's financial growth. I love it.
It was way too good.
Oh, my heavens. You're running out of living space. This is not, in fact, free real estate.
Yes, it comes with the price of your life.
Oh yeah, you actually do get an achievement for healing.
Yes, I saw that one.
What? Shield Master? You get 4 cards to enter. Okay. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Bro, what? Kidding? Ow. I didn't do anything. Actually, I shot 1 bullet.
You've got to be kidding me, right?
Is it worth it?
Expansive Taste. Pick up 3 or more rare cards in one match. It was worth it.
I think that might be the 500 damage. That may in fact be the 500 damage.
If it hits, it hit. Oh, the wave.
That was a bad decision on my hand. Okay,
You're screwed, bro. There's nothing you can do. You best hope I don't get Explosive Bullet, cause then things gonna get really wild.
Ow.
Just the ow.
Hear me out, though. Hear me out, though. Okay. I need more bullets. Holy crap!
I'm somehow goated.
You're not goading. You're shooting the entire map.
Yes, and that makes me goated.
You kill yourself now. I didn't hit you that time.
That's true.
Man, what the? Oh, you. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Destroyer of Worlds, do 500 damage with 1 bullet. I got it.
Did you do it to yourself?
Oh my god! At that point, it wasn't even a game of you trying to beat me. It was me firing twice, and then both of us trying to dodge my bullets.
I've won 3 matches in a row in 2 matches. I'm just that good, apparently.
Okay, I want to see if I can do this, because I always love the idea of Empower. Like, the idea of, the bullet.
You're good at sniping. You're good at pointing and clicking.
Yes. Sniper TF2, man.
The power of spam. My favorite. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
I've got it. No way. No way I'm actually hitting it.
You didn't hit anything.
Shut up.
Ow. You get a mini saw. Your first mistake was assuming the boxes were on your side.
No way. No
Oh,
way.
crap. You're gonna get a mini black hole everywhere he hits. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. I don't like this. Anyway.
It's the Constitution, me matey.
What is this, the Second Amendment?
The right to bear arms?
This is whole game, honestly. Oh, you're getting really lucky with these draws. You're getting like all the good shield
I just got Beekeeper. Have 30 of your own bullets on the screen at the same time. So I suppose EMPs count as bullets.
Of course they do. These literal lines.
One in power shot instantly killed you.
Okay. Oh no.
No idea how I even did that.
I'm almost vanilla. I require more bullets.
I want waffle fries. Give me the second supernova, bro. Give me a second supernova and I'll cook. I will cook him into the ground.
Oh, what the heck? What? Wow, he's out.
You got blasted, little bro.
Ah, you suck.
Do you have cold on your bullets or something?
I need more bullets.
I want waffle fries.
I need more bullets.
I need more bullets. I need more bullets.
I do in fact require more bullets.
I personally believe that the man should acquire more bullets. It would make me quite happy.
This is America, baby.
This is America. Don't get you slipping now.
I'm flaunting my Second Amendment rights.
You got me dead to rights here, John.
Just vaporize them. Just straight up vaporization. I require more bullets.
I've got it. I'm not even sure if I hit you half that time. I'm pretty sure I basically just got you weak enough.
I just died to a wombo combo of gravity and assault. This just went from friendly to deadly.
You rocket jumped me. Did you see that rocket jump, bro?
The floor is no longer your ally.
Oh, that's right. Only one of the bullets.
I got more bullets. The good ending, he got his bullets. Good ending, he got
Yeah, do
more
you think
bullets.
that man ever got more bullets?
Anyway. So is that it, or we're doing one more round?
One more. Let's see, one more.
Okay. Ooh, parasite! Ooh, parasite!
Can I get the Oppenheimer build? Can I do us proud? Can I, when we first discover achievements, hit the Destroyer of Worlds?
You almost got boxed. You got boxed. Imagine.
Sir, do you require more bullets?
What?
Sir, do you require more bullets?
I need more bullets.
Don't we all, sir? Ooh, right up the ass with that one.
Cashback.
Dang.
And that was like a slick shot, like right there. Right there. Right there. You told it was for boom, man. Glockenheimer, let's guess. Rat build initiated. What the heck, man? What are you doing?
I'm hitting those crazy moves, bro. Shut up. Don't say a word. Yes. This is what we need for the Glockenheimer. Not strong enough. I need more bullets. God, I get hit once, it's over.
Wait a second. Did they turn the wrecking balls into platforms?
Don't know.
Oh wait, you know the thing where you shoot the boxes so that the wrecking balls break the building? They turned them into just land. They're not wrecking balls anymore. They're just the same land as the other surroundings. That's a weird choice.
I've got that big one shot, that big pew pew. But I need to actually...
Thanks for the boost, buddy. Yeah, look. They're not wrecking balls anymore. Did your flashlight before your eyes?
What?
Did your flashlight before your eyes?
No.
But did your light flash before your eyes?
I want to see if I can actually do this. We got it, boys. We got the Glockenheimer. I am now the destroyer of worlds.
Oh.
Yeah, game, I really don't know what you wanted me to do there. He thought he got me till I pulled out the Glockenheimer. Now let's see, can we clutch this from a 4v1 all the way to a Glockenheimer win? Oh yeah, we can clutch this baby. Look at what we've done to him. That's the best part of the Glockenheimer, is messing with the map terrain and then just sitting back and watching it absolutely screw over your opponent. That's how you know you've done the Glockenheimer right. Is when it's that bad on map terrain. He got sneaky. Things are turning up for us, guys. Come on. Can we get this? Can we get this? Can we get this? Oh my god. Jesus. No, 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 no. Come on.
This is the worst.
Oh, you
if I'm right
sneaky
now.
bastard. No. Alright.
Alright, that's it.
But finally, the audience has seen the Glockenheimer in full effect. Alright, talk to you later.
You've seen peak rat build. Alright, talk to you later.
So you've finally seen the Glockenheimer and its immense power. That thing is so strong. It is the destroyer of worlds. It is literally a nuke that you just drop on them. Extra bonus points if you got poison. But God, it's crazy.